Condition 1.
Condition 1. Open that feed tray. All right, send that bolt home. Put it on fire. All right, so right now you're gonna shoot between, see the two fives?
Yeah, it's just all the hard work that's on the back end of doing it.
We gotta hurry up, we're about to shoot. Alright, line's hot.
Line's hot. Engage when ready.
Alright, traverse 2 targets to your left. There you go. Engage. Left 10. There you go. Up 5. I'm good to go. Yeah, go ahead. Down more, down. There you go. You're good. Tight right down. 5 mils down.
Clear. Send that bolt home. All right, you're good. Take it.
All right, line hot.
We'll find out. Weapon on. Take it off fire. Put it on fire. Just right.
Guide it home on an empty chamber. Alright, cool. There you go. I'm glad I caught that. Alright, rack it back, put it on safe. Put the charging candle forward. Alright, I'll let you know.
Clear. Send the bull home. Weapon on safe. Good. Go down 2. You're like right there. Right there. Get your hand on. Alright, get a weapon. Hit! Traverse left! Hit! Right! Traverse right! That's how hit! Traverse left! Traverse left! 5 clicks! A little bit left.
Good look.
Stay closer.
Johnson, roll. Giving you an act.
Troops direct front! Fire!
Clear.
Alright. Single target engagement, so we're not traversing at all. Alright?
You're on that side.
Good. Good. Alright, clear it out. Remember, it's hot barrel. Keep your head down. There you go. Lift it up. Clear it out. One single target right off the bat, and afterwards I'll let you know the berm behind him. You see him? Yeah. That's where you'll go from like left to right. I'll give you like a target reference point so you can actually aim it on one of them. Hit it. All right. Let's go the other way. Left. All right, you're good. Where? All right, you see, lift it back up. More. Right there, right 5. All right, go, engage. Good on target. Good on target. Lower. All right. Safe? Oh, God. All right. All right, you can. All right. Right 3. Fix your shoulder pressure. You're on target.